Welcome to this lesson on algebraic identities. By the end of this video, you will be able to find the value of the sum of two variables when their difference and their product are known. If a minus b equals 4 and a times b equals 60, what is the value of a plus b? Our goal is to solve this step by step. We are given two pieces of information. First, the difference between a and b is 4. Second, the product of a and b is 60. To relate these values to what we want to find, which is a plus b, we need a specific algebraic identity. This identity is perfect because it links the sum, the difference, and the product of two numbers. Notice how it allows us to calculate the square of the sum if we know the other two parts. Now, let's substitute our known values into this formula. Since a minus b is 4, we replace that term with 4 squared. And since a times b is 60, now we perform the arithmetic. 4 squared is 16, and 4 times 60 is 240. Adding those together, we find that the square of a plus b is 256. To find the value of a plus b itself, we need to take the square root of both sides. Remember that when taking a square root in an algebraic equation, we must consider both the positive and negative possibilities. Since 16 times 16 is 256, the square root is 16. Therefore, the value of a plus b is either positive 16 or negative 16. We have successfully used the algebraic identity to find the sum. Great job!